everyone, myself Ishan, and today I have again came back for you all, and I have bought a Hindu topic from the editorial of 11th December 2020. So this article is written by Krishna Kumar, who was the former director of NCERT. So it is basically about the education during the pandemic. So the author is telling that before some days he went a person, a teacher from who teaches at the nursery stage, Montessori school. So what he asked him, the teacher told her that nowadays I am taking class online from to the nursery class. But then the author thought that is it even possible that we all know that nursery class is it is almost impossible for the nursery class to be virtual and online, because teacher needs to interact and need to connect with the students face to face and physically, and it is almost impossible with the virtual learning. So he is saying like this only, uh, but it was the question which raised before some months and days. But then what happened that during the pandemic growth, and during after so many days, we now this question is not a question anymore, because it is now what to say, it is in a general routine in our life that we have to give online classes, and almost every student have to take online classes, because there is no other option except this. Like we can't use virtual class real class, like going to schools, because it can raise the coronavirus virus cases. So it is not a question anymore, and it is the only way. And then the next is author is discussing about the safety net, because we all know that the virtual net, the VPN, the network, the internet is a home to many things. Almost 100 billion or many there are websites in the internet, and children have no safety, no anything to protect them. So the author, the Krishna Kumar, is only telling this, that there is no any safety for the internet, and this will not be good for the future generations who will see these type of things. Like if we see any bad things in the internet, then we can face any such types of issues which children should not see at this age. And the author is saying that there is no any safe network also, for which is only for children, and there is no anything which can protect us from seeing those types of things. So regarding that, the author also says, and then it is about the vocabulary of all the students. Like we all know that English is a universal language. So the author is saying that is it good, like if we compare between social science and science in online classes, we will see that it is easy for the science teacher to cope with all the students, but it is not with the social studies, because in that there the teacher will face many issues. So the person is saying this only, is it with the English also, because English is a universal language, and in the future its need will be very high. And if any student will not learn at this stage, he will never be able to learn in the upcoming future. So this was the article. And the next thing is about an advice which should be given by the parents also, because when it was the school, the teacher were the parents, but now it is all online, and it is all the students are at home. So it is a whole responsibility, at least some responsibility of the parents, that they should take care of the what his child is seeing, what is the child doing, how the study is going. So the former director of NCERT is saying that parents should also give advice what to see, what to not see, and how to cope with all of these, because it is the stage of puberty, and so the child can face issues in the issues in the future. So this was all the article about it, and please share this video, because it is general knowledge. I will meet you again in the next video soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye. See you soon, guys.